Hello and welcome to BSL Club. This is the place where you can learn British Sign Language and become more deaf aware. In today's video, you will learn some sign phrases to help you to seek clarification when you don't understand what's being said. Are you ready? Seeking clarification is really important when you're having conversations because there's going to be times when you don't understand what a deaf person's saying to you, or perhaps they're signing too fast and you need to ask them to slow down. Here are some signs phrases that you can use in conversation with a deaf person to help you seek clarification. Sign for again. If you, with your right hand, if you're right-handed, take your two fingers, your middle finger and your pointing finger together and you sort of shake it again. Let's do that again. Again. So please, again, please. Okay, let's try that one more time. The sign for what? If you use your pointing finger again, if you're right-handed, or if you're left-handed, make sure you use your left hand. Just wave it slightly. And it's a good thing also, don't forget your head movements and your facial expressions. I've actually made a video about what is BSL, and that also goes into detail about how you don't just use your hands, but you use your facial expressions and your head and body movements. So watch that video for more information about that. But the sign for what, wave your pointing finger a few times. And don't forget your facial expressions. That's okay to ask if you don't understand what someone is saying to you. You don't want to be there just nodding away. You want to be able to interrupt and ask. One more time. So if someone uses a sign that you're not familiar with, another way to seek clarification is to ask them to fingerspell the word in English. So the sign for fingerspell, if you put your two hands together, and then allow your fingers to kind of move up and down, but touching each fingertips. The fingertips of each hand are touching, and then move it around. So fingerspell. One more time. Sometimes people will just be signing to you too fast, and you'll need to ask them to slow down. So the sign for slow. If you are right-handed, stretch out your left arm and then allow your right hand to slowly move up your left arm. And again. Now the sign for sorry. Sometimes you're just feeling like you don't understand and you're asking someone to repeat something. You just want to say sorry. That's okay. With your right hand, make a fist and go anti-clockwise. And again. Now, if you want to explain that you just don't understand what's being said, you can use this sign. So with your two hands, allow your pointing fingers to shoot up like this and then go over your shoulders. And with your lips, you make a lip pattern. So don't forget to blow. And you can shake your head because you don't understand. Now that's the sign for I don't understand. Now that's a good example actually of what is known as a multi-channel sign in BSL. So it's not a sign that you could substitute a word for in English. It's a sign that encompasses a phrase in English, a multi-channel sign. If you're really struggling, you could ask someone to write something down to help you to understand. So again, if you're right-handed, you open your left palm, and then your right hand being your dominant hand, you'd put your thumb and index finger together like a pen, and you would write on your palm like you're writing on paper. So again. If someone's using a sign that you're not familiar with, it's a good idea to ask them what that sign is. so that you can learn it and then incorporate it into your vocabulary. So the sign for sign or signing is your two hands together and they kind of go in a circle rubbing against each other, but one after the other. So sign. And then we know the sign for what, so we can put them together. And again. Fantastic, well done. Now you've learnt some sign phrases for seeking clarification in BSL. For more BSL videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let me know down below what kind of BSL videos you would like to see, what you would like to learn, and I will incorporate that in a future video. Until next time, bye-bye.